Hello to everyone and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing our requested song and it is the Foggy Jew. It's an awesome tune to learn and definitely have it ready for Paddy's Day. So let's get into it. Right, so in this song I'm going to show you how to do the tab that I was playing on the intro as well as the strumming pattern and the chords to go along with this song. So we're going to start off with the tab first and then go into the strumming. So let's bring up the tab over here and we'll go into it. Right, so you're going to only need the bottom three strings on the guitar. That's the G, the B and the E. If you're not used to reading tabs, the lines are the strings, the numbers are the boxes. If you see 0, that means pick that string open. If you see number 3, that means box 3, 5, box 5. It's as simple as that. So we start off with 0 on the little E string, then 3 and 5 on the little E. And those first 3 notes are played together. And then it goes 3, 0, 5 on that bottom string. So 0, 3, 5, 3, 0, 5. And then we have 3 on the bottom string, 0 on the bottom string, 3 on the B string. And then 0 on little E and 0 on the G string. Okay. Then we're into the second half, so we have 2 on the G string, 0, 1 on the B string, 0 on little E. So that's the next section. And then on the B string, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, sorry, on the B string, 3, 1, and then on the G string, 2, 0, 2. Okay, and so on the B string 3, 1 and then G string 2, 0, 2. Okay, as easy as that. So just follow along with that tab. Practice it in its section. So don't just play the whole thing through. Remember to take the pauses where I'm taking the pauses. So the first part is that 0, 3, 5, 3, 0, 5. And then 3, 0, 3, E, G. And then 2 on G, 0, 1 on B, and 0 on the bottom. And then the last part, 3, 1 on B, 2, 0, 2 on G. And that is the opening tag. And then to go straight into the strumming, which we will cover now. Okay guys, so there are 5 chords we're going to need for this song. We have A minor, G, E minor, C and D minor. Lots of minors in this song. So we'll start off with A minor first. So it's the first box, second string or B. The second box then D and G, which is the 4th and 3rd string. So very similar to a C chord. Then we have a G, which is the second box, A string or 5th string. And then in the 3rd box, big E and little e. So that's 6 and 1. E minor is next, so we have second box 5 and 4 or A and D strings. Then we have a regular C chord, which is first box string 2, which is B, second box string 4, which is D, and third box string 5, which is A. And then finally we have D minor. So we're starting in box 1, string 1, box 2, string 3, which is G, and box 3, string 2, which is your B string. And when you're strumming that one, try to focus mainly on the bottom 4 strings when you strum. If you're a beginner, don't worry too much about just hitting the bottom strings. Focus more on getting the strumming pattern right and connecting the chords together without stopping. And then as you get more advanced, you can focus on just hitting the bottom 4 strings. Right, let's get into the chord progression of the song now. Okay, so it starts off the first 4 chords, A minor, G, E minor, and the strum pattern down at the bottom is that down, down, up, down, up. So A minor twice. G and E minor. So we start off again, A minor, G, E minor. Okay, and then we have C, D minor, A minor, A minor. And that line is repeated again. So A minor, G, E minor, and then C, D minor, A minor, A minor. That line is played twice, so it goes. Again. And that's the whole first two lines. Then we into the next line, so it goes C, C, G, and C. And it's just the same strum pattern, down, down, up, down, up. So the first two downs are a little slower, and then up, down, up, before we quickly go into the next strum pattern. So C, C, G, C. And then A minor, E minor, G, and A minor. So. And that line is only played once. So that's the third line of the song. C, C, G, C, A minor, E minor, and G, A minor. And then we're on to the final line. So it starts off the same as the top line, just a little different on the last four chords. So A minor, G, E minor. And to finish off, A minor, E minor, A minor, A minor. So starting off the same. And that is it. So focus mainly on the strum pattern and connecting those chords together. Now for A minor to E minor, I'm not doing my first two fingers for E minor. I am using my middle two fingers just to go up a string. That's a little trick a lot of people use for E minor. So some beginners learn E minor with the first two fingers, but it's good to learn it with the middle two fingers as well. Just for instances like this, where you are changing from an A minor or C chord into an E minor, you can just move those middle two fingers up and change easier. And then with the strumming, if you're having trouble with it, maybe just stay in one chord and practice that strumming over and over and over and over again until you get it right. So start off in your A minor chord and do the strumming a couple of times, and start slow and then build up the speed till you're at that song speed, and then add in the other chord. So we have that. And that's the speed you want to stay at. Any faster and it's too fast, any slower. Now you can slow it down because obviously you're playing on the guitar. You can play an acoustic version of it and just sing it slower, but it's already fairly slow. So down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, lots of chords in this. Hard to remember. Sometimes you'll have the sheet up in front of you just to remember the chord progression. But the first two lines are the same, and then third and fourth are different. But guys, that is the whole song. We have the tab and the strumming in there. If you liked today's video, hit that like button. If you are new, subscribe. Keep those comments coming in with more requests. And as always, I'll see you next time.